Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a project share for you guys. Well, two project shares. I posted on my Instagram two of these projects, which are right here. Yes, they are both SVG files. I will have them linked down below, so you guys can definitely go check them out because these projects are perfect for summer. It's just a great idea. I think these are gift boxes that you can stuff with embellishments for your pen pals. And the flip-flop was also intended to be a box, but we'll get into that in a few. But let me show you guys what these super cute little kites look like. Now, don't think you have to create them the size that I chose. You could do that and make it optional and to your preference. But let me show you guys what the box looks like up close. I decided to do every little piece right here a shaker because I thought that that would be fun. We have a little string here. You guys, these are super easy to put together. The sequence mix that I used is the new Paper Cherries May Kit, which is adorable pastel that goes perfect with the paper that I chose. This paper is from Michael's, I think like a traveling pad. This is what the back looks like. Oops, I hate little glue bits. That's what the back looks like. And that's the front. And then what you do is when you open up the box, this is how it looks open. So you would put your little embellishments here. Let me see if I have like, well, I have like, let's say if you wanted to put, well, this is too big. Of course, you would pick something big, like small little embellishments inside. And then you could package it up. Super easy. You kind of like figure out how the flap goes. Let's go on this side. Go like that, and then you puff it up and there's your box, and then your pen pal has the goodies inside. Isn't that cute? You guys, I absolutely love this. So you open it up and you can put crinkle paper in there. You can put anything you want. Super easy to create. So I made this one, and then I made, well, this was the second one I made because the first one I intended to make was to be like this. And you could just puff it out if you want to look like that. So that's the first one. And then I did some yarn and some cute little bows. And it has a little hole already there for you to do that. Super easy. You get this main piece and then you get your little pieces. So it's like, I think 6 pieces to put it together. Super easy. I might try to make it a little bit smaller because this one's about 6 inches. And then I made this one, which also opens up the same way. And I did a little shaker on the inside, like a little sneaky peek. And there's your box in the inside. See? That's the back. This one was using, I think, Crepe Paper Hooray. Yeah, I think that's the paper that I used. And I did the same thing with the bows. So fun, you guys. I love these kites. Definitely check out the SVG. You're not going to want to miss out on that. Definitely want to create these are super fun to make. And then I made this super cute little flip-flop here, which was meant to be a box, but I struggled so much, you guys, that I then ended up just taking off the top and placing it on a card, which turned out to me so cute. It's a shaker and it says fun. It's a big card, you guys, but I'll have the file for this link down below. I did some stitching and I think it looks so cute. But yeah, you guys, don't forget to check out the links down below so you can get these SVG files and start creating some fun summer mail for your pen pals. Pen pals? Pen pals. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I haven't been feeling myself lately, but I'm trying to pump out these videos. I think I'm getting sick. That's what it is. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos and I will catch you guys on the next one.